Today's video is on the latest Tomica 4D series, and that's the Toyota 86 in Gazoo Racing livery. I will also do a comparison with the other regular Toyota 86 and also pair this 4D casting with the GR Supra Racing concept. And now let's take a closer look at the 4D Toyota 86. Just like the other 4D castings, it's powered by two LR44 batteries, which will last for 45 minutes with continuous play. First, activate this 86 by pressing it down. The engine will set to idle in vibrate mode. More sound effect when you press the casting and also when you roll it. The box packaging looks like any other regular Tomica with a 4D logo on it. It comes in pearl finish paint, which looks very premium, and also the sharp Gazoo Racing livery on its body. Really hope that Tomica Premium will do a similar version of this 86 in Gazoo Racing livery. And to start the casting, simply pull the tab. One very interesting find, the windscreen are all lowered. I guess it's for the clarity of the engine sound. Personally, I would prefer the sound of the GTR, and the sound of the previous petrol car also seems to be more fun than this 86. When compare this 4D with the regular Toyota 86, the 4D seems to be a tad bigger than the regular version. The 4D also lacks opening feature and interior to make way for the sound than the regular version. And when compared with the next Yo-Yo Toyota 86, it seems very compatible. When paired with the GR Supra Racing concept in similar livery, they look perfect and very compatible with each other. I guess this 4D 86 also will look better with the wheelset from the Toyota Supra. More Tomica feature coming, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!